Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge is limited, imagination encircles the world. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions. Only two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity, and I am not sure about the former. Logic will get you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. I very rarely think in words at all. A thought comes and I may try to express it in words afterwards. I never made one of my discoveries through the process of rational thinking. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. The intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind is a faithful servant. We have created a society that honors the servant and has forgotten the gift. A new idea comes suddenly and in a rather intuitive way, but intuition is nothing but the outcome of earlier intellectual experience. If you want your children to be intelligent, read them fairy tales. If you want them to be more intelligent, read them more fairy tales. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is miracle. The other is as though everything is miracle. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The man who regards his own life and that of his fellow creatures as meaningless is not merely unfortunate, but almost disqualified for life. We cannot solve our problems with the same thinking we used when we created them. Intellectuals solve problems, geniuses prevent them. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. If you always do what you always did, you will always get what you always got. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The most important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious. It is not that I am so smart, but I stay with the questions much longer. Don't listen to the person who has the answers. Listen to the person who has the questions. Try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of value. You never fail until you stop trying. Never give up on what you really want to do. The person with the big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. If the facts don't fit the theory, change the facts. You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. What is right is not always popular, and what is popular is not always right. Education is the progressive realization of our ignorance. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. The only source of knowledge is experience. Any man who reads too much and uses his own brain too little falls into lazy habits of thinking. Never memorize something that you can look up. If you can't explain it to a 6-year-old, you don't understand it yourself. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. Information is not knowledge. If I were not a physicist, I would probably be a musician. I often think in music. I live my daydreams in music. I see my life in terms of music. The really good music, whether of the East or of the West, cannot be analyzed. Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. Men marry women with the hope they will never change. Women marry men with the hope they will change. Invariably, they are both disappointed. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Everybody is genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Creativity is intelligence having fun. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Stay away from negative people. They have a problem for every solution. Wisdom is not a product of schooling but of the lifelong attempt to acquire it. Perfection of means and confusion of aims seems to be our main problem. If A equals success, then the formula is A equals X plus Y and Z, with X being work, Y play, and Z keeping your mouth shut. We all know that light travels faster than sound. That's why certain people appear bright until you hear them speak. Put your hand on a hot stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sit with a pretty girl for an hour and it seems like a minute. That's relativity. If we knew what it was we were doing, it would not be called research, would it? There is a race between mankind and the universe. Mankind is trying to build bigger, better, faster and more foolproof machines. The universe is trying to build bigger, better, faster fools. So far, the universe is winning. Women always worry about things that men forget. Men always worry about things women remember. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive, intelligent people ignore. Any fool can know. The point is to understand.